Welcome back, kids. Today we will draw a cute unicorn. So let's start. First, draw the unicorn horn. Draw it like a long diamond shape. Just draw like me, then you will not make any mistake. Well done. Now draw a curved line in the middle, like this. Just draw 3 lines, and it's done. Good job, it's looking very great. Now draw the unicorn hair. Draw a curve, and draw it, like this. Now draw some more hair, just like this. Mark some curved line, and draw it, like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here, and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how great it's looking. Well done, now draw the unicorn face. Draw a big curved line, like this. Just make it like a half circle. Good job, now draw the unicorn ear. Draw it like a mountain. Well done, now draw the other ear also. Do the same thing, and don't make any mistake. Just draw the curved line, and it's done. It's looking very nice. Now draw the unicorn body. Draw a big long curved line, like this. Make the end more curvy, and it's done. Now draw the other side also. Do the same thing, and look how great it's looking. Now let's draw the leg. Draw a small curve, like this. Good job, now draw the other leg also. Well done, it's looking very beautiful. Now draw the unicorn tail. Draw a wavy line, like this. Then draw a big curve. Now draw some line inside the tail. Look how cute it's looking. Now let's draw a cute heart shape in the chest. Make a small and cute heart shape, like this. Now let's draw the eye. Draw a big circle, then slowly fill the color. To watch more drawing video, click here, and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Lastly, draw the eyelashes. Draw 3 small curved lines, and it's done. Good job, now draw the other eye also. First draw a big circle, then slowly fill the color. Don't forget to draw the eyelashes. Draw 3 lines, and it's done. Lastly, draw a cute and happy smile. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use yellow color and color the horn. Color the tip, like this. Now color the hair also. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Good job! Lastly, color the unicorn tail, and it's done. Color only one area, like this. Now use sky blue slowly fill the color. Lastly, color the unicorn tail, and it's done. Well done, it's looking very beautiful. Now use purple color, and do the same thing. Color the horn, then color the hair. Color the last hair, and it's done. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here, and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Lastly, color the tail, and look how beautiful it's looking. Now use red color, and color the last part of the horn. Well done, now color the heart also. Color only inside the heart shape, and don't make any mistake. Well done, now use pink color, and color inside the ear. Just color like me, and it's done. Now do the same thing on the other ear also. Look how great it's looking. Now draw an oval shape on cheeks and make it blush. Draw on both cheeks, and look how cute it's looking. Lastly, color on its leg, like this. Color only the tip of leg, and it's done. It's looking very beautiful. Now use gray color, and make shadow. Draw a curved line on its face, like this. Now draw a small curved line on the body also. Well done, now use white color, and make the unicorn more shiny. First draw a big circle, then draw a small circle also. Well done, now draw a circle on the other eye also. Good job, we complete the drawing. You know what? I love unicorn. And look how cute the unicorn is looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.